at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Okay, it might spaz that. What's up?
Keep him in the boat, because that one might be a keeper, Adam.
Okay. I'll just lay him down. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Inside the ocean.
Oh, nope, got him. Oh, nope, lost him. Oh, sad.
Don't break. Don't break.
Don't break.
That's what you've been doing for the past, like...
Do I need the net, Adam?
No.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, we both got him.
Nope.
Oh, no.
Fish, I'll take that braided line and eat it for lunch.
So this is him trying to pull in a shark or a bluefish or whatever the heck it's supposed to be.
Live fish, throw it on and just let it sit.
Smile.
You want to reel him in, Adam, or you want me to do it?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Whoa, baby.
That's bigger than me. That's a big shark.
That pole will go into the water.
Keeping a shark.
I think this is a big rip.
Here, take video. Take video. Take video, Liam.
Make some good.
Is it still recording?
No. What are you going to do with that tip on there?
What?
You better pull that tip
Adam,
off of there.
If I were you, I'd let him gaff it first. So you
Yeah,
can
let
see how
me gaff.
See, that's look at the tip, Adam. See that?
Dun dun.
You ain't even close. He ain't even started his second run yet.
Hey, Adam.
Really want to
You
know.
ain't even seen
Adam,
him
see,
yet.
this is what I was hoping for, but I wanted you guys to be able to reel him in a little bit. This one's gonna be.
I think it's too big.
Oh yeah, this will throw you.
And we have live action.
Guys, listen up. When he gets close, you guys hover to this side of the boat. Back
Okay, you
over
can
here.
turn it off now, Adam.
I'm bending that.
Ready?
Hold on.
Ready?
No, don't. Let me grab you, bite. Hold on to him.
Oh yeah, you can grab him with your hand.
And this is the fish that Daddy caught.
That's a good
Okay,
size
Bill
reel.
Dance. There you go. Swish him around a little bit.
Thank you, buddy. Oh, come here. Let's get that water through your gills. Come here. Oh, baby.
I don't even know if I can see him because your head's in the way.
Oh, crap, my watch. You dummy.
He might be dead.
That's what fishing is all about, right there.
I think he's dead.
No, I don't think he's dead, but he's definitely. Oh, were we supposed to?
What?
Put it in the boat. Put it down. Sit it down right there.
No, that's a hogfish.
Did you keep it?
I think. We have to go on and find.
It's a pretty big one. I don't know if it's going to be a.
Up.
Yeah, that's another one. Darn it.
Get up.
Bring him up.
These things are.
Okay, go ahead and put him. Throw him in.
Put him in.
Throw him in. He's fine.
Hey, somebody help me with this
Throw him
one.
over.
Did you already get him?
Nope. There he goes. He went.
Somebody help me with this one. Oh, I got one of those fish. Oh, I got one of those fish.
You got it?
He's taking a picture of you peeing.
Adam whizzing. Whizzing and fishing.
That was one of them German pictures. European.
Come on, down fish.
Scared of a little trout.
You got him?
You want pliers?
What have you? What have you?
Ah.